Looking for the best breakfast in just 5 minutes? Here's the ultimate quick pancake recipe. In a bowl, add oatmeal, pour in water, and mix. Crack in 1 egg, add sweetener, and mix again until smooth. Pour the mixture into a non-stick pan on high heat. Cook for 2 minutes, flip, and bake the other side for about 1 minute until golden brown. Serve with creamy Greek yogurt, fresh and frozen berries, and crunchy nuts. It's healthy, delicious, and ready in only 5 minutes. Perfect for busy mornings. If you love this quick recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. Enjoy!